is a demonstration for the network status display application for GSM. NSD is a network troubleshooting and monitoring tool that displays fault management, performance management and configuration data in a single application. NSD is seen here and it can be opened from within the CEX GUI by clicking on the network status perspective. The GSM topology is shown in topology view. It displays the roots of network, second levels of network, BSCs and BTSs. The information displayed in the other views, such as the status view and properties view, depends on the object selected in the topology view. The status view presents a summary of the status of the objects related to the current topology view selection. For example, BSCA 400 is selected in topology view. The properties view is updated to display the properties of the selected object, and the status view shows the status of the associated cells and BTSs. In the BTS tab, for example, we can see there is one critical alarm on each associated BTS. And in the cell tab, we can see which cells are active and which cells are halted for the BSC. It is possible to sort the data in the view by selecting on the relevant header in the view. It is also possible to reduce the amount of items in the view by filtering the data in the filter view. The Overview tab will display summary, cell status and alarm information for the particular object selected in the topology view. These are displayed in graphical format for ease of use. Select the Alarm view to display the alarms for the object selected in the topology view. The Alarms Detail view can be used to view detailed alarm information for a particular alarm. As with all NSD views, table sorting and filtering is provided. Select a Performance view to view detailed information on key performance indicators for the children of the selected object in the topology view. Selecting a BSC will cause KPIs for each of its cells to be shown. The KPI values are color formatted in accordance with user-defined threshold values, making it easier to see KPI values that indicate problems in the network. The KPI data is displayed in configurable periods of every 15, 30 or 60 minutes. Switch to a different KPI using the drop-down selector on the upper right of the view. The KPIs for the BSC itself can also be viewed in line graph format. To do this, select the BSC in topology and the KPI tab in the Properties view. It is also possible to switch between the displayed KPIs by selecting the appropriate tab. Selecting a subnetwork in the topology view will show the KPIs for all of the BSCs and the cells under that subnetwork. Select an individual cell to see all of its KPIs on a graph. That concludes the demonstration for Network Status Display application for GSM. Thank you for watching.